I could do this for hours, sit and talk to you for hours. I wanna give you your flowers. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to the channel, be sure to smash that subscribe button. I said smash that subscribe button. So it's day 2 in Hawaii. Don't mind if I'm looking kind of tired. It's like almost 8 o'clock here, but which is like 1 o'clock at home, 1 or 2 o'clock, and I just got up. I'm about to go catch me an Uber so I can do my helicopter excursion around the island of Hawaii. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So yes, so I hope you guys enjoy watching that for today. And then my thing is trying, I don't know if it saved that or not, but if it did, be sure to enjoy the rest of this vlog for today and enjoy watching me go around the island of Hawaii, and then we'll see what we get into later. guys, so I just made it back to the room from my helicopter tour. Who you know, flying out to Hawaii, getting on a helicopter by herself because my mama did not come. I caught an Uber by myself, and then got on a helicopter by myself. Well, it was other people on there, but you know, my mom wasn't there, so that was a big step. You know, I was on a helicopter for the first time by myself. It was so cool. I hope you guys enjoyed the view. It was so beautiful. We toured Oahu and Waikiki, Honolulu. So beautiful. Now I'm starving, so me and my mom are about to go find some lunch, and I'll see y'all wherever we go next. And then we'll probably go to the beach later and just chill, because we don't have anything else planned today. And then we have something planned for tomorrow, which is day 3, and y'all will see that in day 3 vlog. So stay tuned and keep on watching.
Ain't another woman that can take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love.
A little lunch with an oceanfront view. It can't get any better than that. And the food was so good. I give it 8 out of 10. Wait, no, 9 out of 10. It was so good. The drink was good. It wasn't too strong. And it was pretty. I said, now this is pretty. This is real pretty. And then on the walk back to the room, I stopped at this place called the Cookie Corner. Those cookies smell so good. Hopefully they taste as good as they smell. Now I'm just chilling before we go to the beach. It's really hot down there, so we're gonna let it cool down a little bit. Y'all, I should have got my eyebrows done. This brow is killing me. This one looks fine. Oh, and I gotta wipe this stuff with my eye. This man was trying to get me to buy some $300 serum. Like, sir. At that moment, he knew he fucked up. But yeah, I'm just chilling on the balcony. Look at the view. Let me show y'all the view. There's the beach. There goes the diamond head. It is so pretty here. Let me zoom in. Look at that pretty water. The water here is just so blue. Like, Florida is pretty, but this water is really pretty. And y'all, when I took my little helicopter picture, before you get on, they take your picture, and I was matching the helicopter because the helicopter was like blue and so cute. And I got on my little almost Bottega sandals, my fake Bottegas. So cute. But I had on my Chacos earlier because they're just easier to walk in instead of these. But yeah, now I'm just chilling. And then we're gonna go to the beach. I might bring my camera. If not, I'll vlog on my phone. So yeah, see y'all later. Hey y'all, so I'm ready for the beach. We're gonna go to the beach. This is so cute. It's like a 4-piece set. It comes with a hair wrap, top, bottom, skirt. But it don't come with that ass in the back. Or the shades, but everything is from Shein. Besides that ass. Oh. But period. Yeah, y'all, I'm finna go to the beach. I'm not bringing this camera, so I'm gonna vlog like on my phone, pop up some pictures, and yeah, see y'all at the beach. Hey. Period. This sand so hard walking. Like, oh my god. Mama, wait a minute, I need to rinse my feet. Hey guys, so we back in the room from the beach and the pool. I look good, y'all. Period poo. That girl, like Terry say, yeah, that bitch, yeah, that girl. Almost 22 on the so, cause I could never. But today's vlog was pretty short. I didn't do that much because that one excursion was very expensive, but it's better than nothing. Your girl faced her fears. Let me sit this down. Can I? No. Okay, but yeah, your girl faced her fear. I rode on a helicopter, a chopper. I'm not gonna make a chopper. I got on a helicopter, y'all. I was like, what? Who can say they came to Hawaii and got on a helicopter? I'll wait. Nobody. And yeah, y'all, I got my clock set for 5:50 and 5:55 because Lorvay by Diora restocks tomorrow, the day before my birthday. Early birthday gift. It drops at 12 p.m. but we're like 6 hours behind Atlanta time. So yeah, I gotta get up at like 6 a.m. but we had to get up early anyways for this tour thing we're doing tomorrow. Y'all will see that in day 3, or I might just combine today and tomorrow, because that's all we're doing tomorrow. But it just depends on how much footage I really have once I start editing. But I might just still do days, even if some of them are short and some of them long. But we'll see. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, because I enjoyed filming it for y'all. Be sure to follow me on Instagram. Follow me on TikTok at SlayWithTrace on Instagram with 2 E's at the end. SlayWithTrace on TikTok, 1 E at the end. And be sure to smash that subscribe button. I said smash that subscribe button. Smash it till it's red. Then click that bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. And like, comment, and subscribe. And always and forever, Slay with Trace. Bye, Slay Squad.